Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone has power and a backup. This protects your data. Once backed up, you will access recovery mode to remove the lock. Hold power and volume down together to open the boot menu, then choose recovery with the volume keys and confirm with power. This entry step is quick. It prepares the device to accept system-level commands, so the next steps can wipe the lock without partial failures or data corruption. Once in recovery, navigate to Wipe Data or Factory Reset and confirm. This clears user partitions and typically removes screen locks. You do this because the lock is stored in user data, and a full wipe restores default security settings. Make sure to follow on-screen confirmations. There are usually 2 prompts. After the process finishes, select Reboot System Now. The phone restarts clean. This middle phase is the core operation. It permanently removes the lock, but also deletes local files, which is why backups mattered. After reboot, proceed through Android setup. You may be asked for the original Google account because of factory reset protection. This prevents unauthorized access. If you remember credentials, sign in and finish setup. If not, try account recovery on Google or use Motorola support tools. These steps verify ownership and unblock activation. If activation lock persists despite correct steps, make an appointment with an authorized service center. Professional tools can confirm hardware identity and resolve persistent lock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.